Hello, how to grow big and heavy broilers fast using baking soda. Proving poultry farming secret. Big broilers using baking soda to boost broiler weight, improve digestion, reduce mortality, and increase feed efficiency. This method is 100% natural and proven by successful farmers. Let's dive into the science, the benefits, and how you can apply it to your own poultry farm and how it will work for you. Relax and watch the video till the end. Don't skip any of the track at all because it's going to be a scientific process. First, what is baking soda? Baking soda is also called sodium bicarbonate. It is a natural alkaline compound widely used in food, medicine, and agriculture. In poultry farming, it is used to improve digestion, reduce heat stress, and enhance growth performance in poultry and livestock animals, most especially the fast-growing poultry birds like broiler. What are the nutritional and medicinal values of baking soda in broiler farming? 1. Electrolyte balancing. It helps in maintaining acid-base balance in broilers, especially helpful during heat stress and hot weather. Secondly, it improves digestion and digestive health of poultry and livestock animals. It enhances feed digestion and nutrient absorption, reduce gut acidity, making the gut environment more affordable and comfortable for poultry and livestock. Third, it boosts feed conversion ratio, FCR. Chickens gain more weight with less feed with this baking soda. It reduces mortality, minimizes heat stress related deaths. Remember that one of the major cause of mortality in broiler farming is heat stress. Once the broiler grows heavy weight, heat stress is unavoidable, and if it is not properly managed, it can wipe out or end that particular flock. So this particular baking soda can help you to manage heat stress and reduce heat related death, especially in hot climate. It supports immune system, strengthens the bird's resistance to disease by reducing metabolic stress. What are the recommended dosage and application in poultry and livestock? How do you apply it? 0.2 to 0.5% of feed weight. That is 2 to 5 grams of baking soda per 1 kg of feed. That's what it means. If you are talking about grammage, you need to have what we call digital scale. You can see it. This is digital scale. So once you get this baking soda, you need to apply it using digital scale. Please make sure you use digital scale at least. If you don't have digital scale, the next thing you need to do is use spoon, something like this. Use spoon. That's the next thing you need to do. In water, it is also applicable in water. If you have 10 liters drinker, what you need to do for me is take half of this spoon. You can see this half of this spoon like this quantity, half of it like this, add it to 10 liters of water or 1 kg of feed. This is enough. If you are using digital scale, better for you, so that you get the grammage. It is better. If you are using digital scale, it is better for you because that will give you the grammage. It is written and indicated. You can see it. You can see the scale here. You can see it. This digital scale. It must not be this particular scale. I'm not advertising this scale. It must not be this scale. Any digital scale can help you to get the accurate measurement to use. Please don't overdose them so that you will not have issues. Then feeding guide. Start using baking soda for 2 weeks old onwards. After 2 weeks, for those that will ask the question, don't use it on day old. From 2 weeks of age, you start using it. Use it 3 days in a week. 3 days in a week. Or alternate days if growth is poor or birds are stressed. Start using them after second week. Then the third week you start making use of this. Then in a week, 3 times in a week is good. 3 days, consecutive days. If you use it from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You now use 3 days consecutively. You use it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you stop. The next week you can still use it like that. Warning, please do not overdose. Excessive baking soda can cause kidney stress or imbalance in mineral level. Always ensure fresh water is available for your poultry. Avoid mixing with acidic substances like vinegar or citrus in the same drinker. Please, it is very important. I know many of my fans used to call me and ask me, can I mix so medication and this? And I always tell them no. Some of these medications you see, once they are mixed together, there will be an adverse reaction. That adverse reaction will cause mortality for your poultry bed. And finally, you lose those birds. Some of these things you are seeing, they look so simple. Just like garlic, ginger, bitter kola and rest of them. They look simple to you as a human being because of your body weight. But when you mix them together, the adverse reaction, the chemical reaction of all these substances can cause mortality for your pets. So you don't mix anything you see together because you want to fortify the strength of the medicinal value of that particular plant. No. Some of them have adverse reactions, just like using negative and positive, negative and negative joined them together. It can spark and cause danger for your poultry farm. So don't mix them together. Stop mixing all the medications together and stop overdosing. It's very important. That is warning. Always mix baking soda evenly in feed or water. If you put it in water, make sure you dilute it properly and feed. Make sure. I'm going to show you. Relax. I'm going to show you how to mix it in the feed. I have everything for you here. Combine with other natural growth boosters like ginger, garlic, or moringa for better results. You see, I mentioned the plants you can combine with. Monitor weight gain weekly to track effectiveness. Ensure good ventilation, hygiene, and lighting alongside feeding method. So you don't think that once you use this, you're going to get immediate results. There are certain conditions that are required for you to get the best result. These conditions I'm giving you here is what you need to combine for you to get the best result. Feeding chicken is not enough. You must give them the conducive environment for them to grow, so that they will not have adverse reaction to the treatment you are giving to them. They must have cross ventilation, they must have good biosecurity, and they must have quality feed. I'm going to use our own feed we made here in our farm, quality feed, to mix it, and you know how you're going to mix it. And at the same time, I'm going to administer it to our own broilers also. That's how we use it here also. So whatever I'm teaching here is practical. Baking soda is not just for baking. It is a powerful tool for your poultry birds and for the success of your poultry business. If you apply it wisely, you will see your broilers grow faster, heavier, and healthier. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more practical tips and other poultry related management guides. Drop your questions on the comment section if you have any, and I am always here to help you to grow your farm in a smart way. Please do well to subscribe to our channel community membership. Help us to grow this channel. You see, we need to employ some people to help us to work here. Most of you are asking, please demonstrate it for us, demonstrate it for us. I don't have workers that will help to camera these things. You know, for you to demonstrate this and this, the camera need to be moving alongside with you. And for me to pay them also, we need money. And how do you raise the money when you are not subscribed? You only watch. You watch. The data you are using your data. Your data is not coming to me. You are using your data to watch in your house, and you want me to demonstrate everything for you. Demonstration. This tripod stand cannot help to demonstrate all this thing. The camera cannot be moving with me automatically. It's human being that will move the camera with me, and we need to employ that person. So how do we do that if you are not subscribing to our channel membership, where you contribute little amount of money, little token at the end of the month? For those of you that are contributing, may God continue to bless you. And I always assure you, anytime you call me, I will always answer you to help you grow your own business also. Please, if you're not our channel member, please don't bother calling me, because if I ask you, most of you always only remember me when you have issues in your farm. You call me at any time. You don't even mind Even if at midnight you call me, some of you even make video call in the midnight because you want issue to resolve. But to subscribe to our channel membership, you find it difficult to subscribe. That little token you pay on monthly basis, if you need, you are finding it difficult. Maybe little token or less than half of the mortality you have in your farm. Some of you are starting losing your best already, and you call me to rectify the issue for you, and you want the issue to be rectified, but you can't contribute to the growth of this channel. There's no way I can demonstrate everything without cameraman, and the cameraman must be paid. So the tripod cannot move along with me for me to demonstrate all this. That's why most of the times I give you oral message. I give you only the tips. Demonstrating it must be cameraman moving you alongside with me and the camera. That's how it happens. Please, I know that this have entered some of you, and some of you will start joining the community membership. Thank you for watching. Those of you that are already there, very soon I will start mentioning your name and your channel, and some of us can as well subscribe to their channel and at the same time help them to grow their business. As you're helping us to grow this channel, God will always put his stamp and seal on your business. That your farm must grow. You must make it in the mighty name of Jesus. Thank you for watching this video till now. Another video is still uploading in the next channel. Please make sure you subscribe to both channels so that you get all my videos alongside with all my tips. Thank you for watching till then. For now, hello. Here I want to demonstrate to you how you can mix this baking soda with your feed, either with starter or grower. I always advise you that if you want to mix any organic substance with feed, you better do it with mash or crumble. But doing it with pellets is always difficult because pellets are on separate seeds. Like here now, I have a very good quality finisher mash we have here. You can see it. See the feed here. Are you seeing it? Now this is the baking soda. Are you seeing it? Now this is my digital scale. This is my digital scale. You can see it. Let me clean the lens so that you have. This is my digital scale. I'm on the digital scale. Either you make use of the digital scale. Here, let me. This is the baking soda. You can see it. The same baking soda used in baking also, please. Now let me take full cover of this and measure it so that if you want to make use of it, you know what the full cover will give you. The full cover here gave us 10 grams. So if you want to get 20, remember we said about 5%, 10 to 2 to 5% is good. Then here now, this is, you can see this feed now. Let me measure this feed. This feed is 3 kg. This is 3 kg. 3 kg. This feed is 3 kg. Right away, what you need to do is 5% of 3 kg. 5% of 3 kg. 5% of 3 kg. That will give us 0.05. 0.05. This is okay. This is 10 gram mixed with 3 kg. Use 0.2 to 0.5% is good. Now, this is the feed here. See the feed here. See the feed. Have you seen the feed? This is the feed. You are seeing the feed, right? Now, let me add this. You see it? I've added this. Please mix it thoroughly. I want to use this bath now. This power to mix it. After mixing it, you now see the results I'm going to get. You cover your baking soda also. If you don't have digital scale, see the digital scale I used. See the digital scale. Use the cover. This is the cover of this to measure it. Now mix it well because that baking soda is too little. It's too little compared to the quantity of feed here. But it is a very powerful to boost your poultry broiler growth. Please make sure to mix it properly so that it will reach all areas, to reach all the feed. Because this is smashed. See it, I'm missing it here. You can see it, I'm missing it. Make sure you mix it properly so that every poultry bird that eats this feed. And if you are missing, please mix the one they can finish in short period of time. Don't just use it and miss the whole feed, please. This is, you are going to get massive broiler growth and weight gain because it helps in feed conversion and feed oxidation in poultry and livestock, most especially fast growing pests like broiler that you need to grow fast so that you make use of it, you make use of your money and accept and expand your business. Mix it thoroughly. Don't just do it casually, please. This is baking soda. We are mixing it here now. But when producing the feed, you can as well mix it completely with the mixer. That is when you are producing a large quantity. You have to please make sure you get 0.2 to 0.5% of that feed. That's what it means. Use your calculator and check it. If it is 1000 kg, 0.5, 0.5, 0.05, 0.05 times 1000. That will give us 50 kg. But or for 1000, that is for 1000. 5 kg, please. 5 kg. 0.02 times 1000 equals 20 kg. That is very big quantity of this. This one alone is, so this one is giving me how many here? This is giving me 50 grams. 50 grams. That means 50 grams. Please, this is what we're using. I'm still missing it here. Please bear with us. Too fast. Now this is my result. You can see it. See my result here. See my feed here. See my feed here. I've mixed it thoroughly. Thank you for watching. Share this video to reach more poultry and livestock farmers. I say bye.